Hello, this is Joachim from Playing Piano with Chords, and this is piano hack number 8. I'm going to show you how to create major chord triangles to find the notes for all major chords using the circular fifths chart. It's a very cool and simple way to find all major chords in an instant. You might have seen this chart before. It can be used in many different ways. But for now, we're going to use it just to find the notes for all major chords. You can download a free circular fifths chart by clicking the link below the video. So let's start again with C major. It consists of the notes C, E and G. Now if you take a look at the chart, you find C, E, and even though it's written E minor, we just read it as E and G. So this triangle outlines the C major chord. And you just have to move counterclockwise from the root to find the notes of the chord. So you start at the root C, then move to E, which is the third, and then to G, which is the fifth. So that's a really simple way to find the notes of the C major chord. But the cool thing is, you can take this triangle of notes and just move it around. So let's say you want to create an F major chord. You just move the triangle so that it points to F. And you find the three notes of the F major chord, F, A and C, root, third and fifth. If you want to take another one, let's say A flat major, you move it to A flat and you get A flat, C and E flat, root, third and fifth. Another great thing about this trick is that you can use it to create inversions as well. So for now we looked at the root positions. For C, that's C, E and G, so you start at C and you move counterclockwise. For the first inversion, which is E, G, C, you just start at E and move in the same direction. There you have the first inversion. Same thing for the second inversion. Now you start at G, move in the same direction, and you get the second inversion. So now you have a very simple way to create all major chords and their inversions just using the circular fifths chart and the major chord triangles. In the next piano hack, I'm going to show you how to create minor chords using the same trick.